Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is SQ. SQ means short question 1 to 5, competency based, and from chapter 4. And my dear students, this is the lecture number 32, and as you know, there is no HW. So from chapter 4, what is the questions and answer there? You just keep attention. The first question is, which one is the message of Allah? Answer is, the Holy Quran is the message of Allah. Students, keep attention. There already you got the answer. The Holy Quran is the message of Allah. But I extend there with another one sentence. But if you follow this, then that will be better. But if you write only this, then it's depend on the examiner. They can give you 1 marks or they can give you 1.5 marks. But if you write full, then hopefully you will get the full marks. So the Holy Quran is the message of Allah. Any kind of messages and problems are available in the Holy Quran with the solution. It means any kinds of problem and message are available in the Holy Quran. It means in the Holy Quran there is no problem. I mean in the letters or in the nukta. But whatever we are facing any problem, that solution we can get in the Holy Quran. That's here saying. But in the Holy Quran there is no problem. I am not telling that. But whatever in our worldly life we are facing, I mean it can be in the economical life, political life, social life, or the religious life, whatever, if you find there, you will get that solution. Now question number 2, who revealed the glorious Quran and who is its custodian too? It's very easy. Answer, Almighty Allah revealed the glorious Quran by 23 years and He is its custodian too. So you got already the answer, but I extend with the another sentence, that is, nobody is able to change even a single nukta forever. I mean, if any of the person want to change any of the nukta or jabr, jer, pesh or any of the sign in the Holy Quran, they can't do it ever and never. Now question number 3, write 6th number ayat with meaning of Surah Al-Ma'un. I hope you already memorized Surah Al-Ma'un. So what is the 6th number ayat? You have to write that with the meaning. So answer is 6th number ayat of Surah Al-Ma'un is Alladhina hum yura'un. That is 6th number ayat, and then meaning is who only display, show off. So that is meaning. Now question number 4, what is the 6th number ayat and meaning of Surah Kafirun? It's very easy. The answer 6th number ayat of Surah Kafirun is Lakum dinukum waliyadin. This is the 6th number ayat, and meaning is you have your own religion and I have mine. So according to these two questions, you can understand, you have to memorize full surah and all of the meaning of the ayats. And now last question, question number 5 is فَلْيَعْبُدُوا رَبَّ هَذَا الْبَيْتِ. What is the next ayat of this ayat? So answer, next ayat is Alladhi at'amahum min ju' wa amanahum min khawf. Students, this ayat came here from the Surah Quraish. In Surah Quraish there are 4 ayats. So this is the 3rd ayat and this one is the 4th ayat, last number ayat. Alladhi at'amahum min ju' wa amanahum min khawf. So that's all for today, my dear students, and this is the lecture number 32, and there is no HW. I hope you understood my discussion and keep practicing at home to abide by your parents, See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.